think you can be work on a string, something like this one, that will be your string. Okay, this is about my
Okay,
data type.
string is line, right?
Okay.
Sentence.
A
String is
sentence or
like
the collection of
sentence,
the
right?
string is like a correct. Basically, the collection of the characters is known as a string. Okay.
Okay.
So here, let me discuss about the operators. We have seven type of the operators. Okay, we have seven types of operators in Python.
Okay.
First one is my arithmetic. Okay. Second one is my mm, comparison. Sorry, assignment. Okay. Third one is my comparison. Fourth one is my bitwise. Then I have a somehow logical. Then mm, your membership
Okay.
and identity. These all are the operators. So basically, what the operator is? Operator is like when you are providing whenever you want to perform some operation on the variable, it's known as our operator. Okay. Now
Okay.
I have discussed to you that we have a seven type of the operators: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, bitwise, logical, membership, and identity. Okay. Now,
Okay.
if I'm talking about the arithmetic operators, all the arithmetic concepts such as addition, okay, then subtraction, multiplication,
Multiplication,
division,
division.
modulus, exponent multiplication, and exponent division. This all comes under in our arithmetic operators. Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So let me do it here. Let us suppose I have a as a 20. Okay. B is my
Okay.
30. Okay. I am saying that hey, a plus b that will be your 50, that is our 20 plus 30, that is my 50. Now if I'm saying that hey, b minus a, the output will be your 10, that is my 30 minus 20, that is my 50. Okay.
Yeah.
If I'm saying that a minus b, that will be your minus 10.
10.
A
Yeah.
minus
A
will be your
minus B minus.
minus 10. Okay. Then I am saying that a multiply b, that will be your 600. Okay. 20 into 30, that is by 600.
Yeah.
If I'm saying that a divided by b, your value will be 0.666 and so on. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
This is for my division. After this, we have, let us suppose, after division. So let us suppose b is my 2, a is my 5. Okay. B is my 2 and A is my 5. Now if I
Okay.
say that hey, A multiplied by B, the output will be 10. Okay.
10.
But we have another operator named as this one, exponent multiplication. So what the exponent multiplication is? Here I am writing A exponent multiplication by B, which states that B will be the power of A. Okay. B will be the
Okay.
power of A.
5 is to power
Therefore,
2.
2 will become the 5 raised to the power 2 and the output will be your 25.
25.
Okay. Now here
Okay.
let us suppose exponent multiplication. Now we have another concept named as exponent division. Okay. Now we have A as a 5, B as a 2. Okay. I am saying
Okay.
that hey, A divide by B. What will be the output?
A divide by B. It's in decimal.
2.5.
Yeah.
It's 2.5. But I want a positive number. I want a approximate value. I don't want this value into a decimal number. Okay.
Okay.
So what I have to do is I am inserting here a exponent division so that it will give me the accurate numbers, so that it will give me the positive number, that is my 2.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have another operator left, that is my modulus operator. Now what the modulus is basically like a reminder. Okay. Okay, that what will be the reminder if you divide 5 by 2? So you have to use like x a modulus by b, so the output will be your 1. Okay, that is what the reminder is basically.
Okay.
Okay, this was about our arithmetic operators. After this
Okay.
we have something like assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator is basically like this one, the first assignment operator, that we use to assign the value. Okay, if I'm saying that hey, a is equal to 10, okay, and I want to explain this statement, it consists of the three things. One, our variable. Second one is my operator. Third one is my value. A is my variable here is equal to is my uh,
Oh,
operator is assignment operator is this, and 10 is my value, which state that 10 is assigned into a variable known as the a. Okay, now a is my temporary variable. You can change according to your requirement. If I'm saying that hey, a is equal to 20, that will be possible. It will be changed.
20. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So here I am saying that hey, instead of a is equal to 20, what I'm going to do is, if I'm saying that hey, a is my 10, okay, now if I'm executing the value of a, the output of a, that is my 10 is here. Okay, but if I'm saying that hey, a is
Why
equal to
our
a plus
output is
10,
20?
see, output is 10 now. Last it was 20 because firstly I
Oh, is
assigned the
not
value as a 10
clear.
after 20. Firstly I
Please
assigned the
repeat.
value as a 10.
Yeah.
See,
Then you assign 20. Okay, it's now
yes.
it's 10.
So, mhm. Okay, but now here I am saying that a is my 10. Okay, and I want to execute a plus 10, and again I am reassigning into a variable name as a. Whenever with whatever it is written, left side of the is equal to, that will be the variable. Okay,
Okay.
left side of the is equal to, that will be
We
the
can take
variable.
same variable
Right.
two times.
hmm, okay, so here I am written. I have written that a plus 10. So at the right hand side, the value will be executed, but at the left hand side, there is always a variable.
Okay.
Okay. Now if I'm saying that hey, let's suppose I have a. Okay, I have a is equal to 10 plus 20. Okay, a is equal to 10 plus 20. What will be the value of
What will be the value of
a?
30?
It will be 30. Simple. Now if I'm saying that hey, b is equal to a plus 30 again. Now what will be the value of b?
A plus 30. 30.
Hmm,
60.
it will be 60. But if I'm
Yeah.
saying that hey, instead of a b, I am saying that a is equal to a plus 30. Now what will be the value of a?
Again 60. But
Again 60.
say it again.
60.
60. Yeah, right.
60. Fine. So
Mm,
here you can say I'm writing that a is equal to a plus 30. So what was the last value of a? The last value of a was 30.
30.
30 plus 30, that is assigned to a variable name as a again.
Okay.
So the current value of
Means
a
we
will
can
become 60.
repeat variable
Hmm. On the right hand side.
right
Okay.
hand
On
side.
the
Yeah.
left hand side, it will be your on the left hand side it's a variable. On the right hand side, it will be your value. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the same thing we can also write in such way: a plus is equal to 30. Okay, the
A
same
plus
thing,
is equal to
both are the
30.
same. This, if you are writing this way, that is same equal to this, both are the same thing. So now if I execute, what will
Above
be the current value?
above sentence and below are same. A is equal to
Both are
A
the
plus 30 and A plus equal to 30 is same.
Yes, yes, both are the same.
Okay.
Okay, if I execute this, a plus is equal to 30, and after I am printing the value, here you have to write all the code. A is equal to 10 plus 20, a is equal to a plus 30, a plus is equal to 30. What will be the current value of a?
Mm, please repeat.
This is my code. So what will be the
Okay.
value of A?
60
It will be
A
90.
plus.
So
How? Um,
see,
all three added.
all three will be
30
there.
plus
Firstly,
30
I am
plus 60
assigning,
is equal to 90.
yes, 10 plus 20 assigning to A. At the second point, 30. The last value of A is 30. 30 plus 30, that is my 60. So 60 will be stored into A variable. Now I am giving the
Yeah.
instruction to the system that A plus is equal to 30. So the last value of A is 60. 60 plus 30, that is your 90.
Yes. Okay.
Now this plus and is equal to is also known as an operator. Which operator is this? This is your again assignment operator.
Okay. Two operators together is used in assignment is assignment operator, right?
No,
Means
basically not. We can say that two operators simultaneously is known as a assignment operator. Basically, I am making addition and assigning the value into the A. Okay, that is our how our assignment operator is there.
assignment. Okay. Means arithmetic we provide different value to different variable. In this we
Mhm.
directly
Not like in a
operations.
different, not in the same variable. You can perform into a different variable as well. Not an issue. But the thing is
But
that
in
you have to make.
arithmetic we cannot
Hmm, 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 hmm. That
input
that that
input in same variable, right?
okay. So mm, the assignment operators are this is equal to, okay, plus is equal to, okay, then it's my the same functionality will be your minus is equal to, it will firstly subtract, then assign the value into your variable. Then we have a multiplication is equal to, then we have a division is equal to, then we have a all the arithmetic operator with is equal to, that will be your assignment operator.
Assignment operators. Okay.
Okay, now we have something like a comparison operator. Okay, we have something like a comparison operator. So what the comparison operator is, basically the operator which will compare the two variables. Okay, which will compare
Compared to
the
12.
two or more variables. Here let me execute here an example. Let us suppose A is my 20 and B is my B plus is equal to 20. What will be the value of A and B?
A B will be 40.
And A will be your 20. Both are
Yeah.
equal.
No.
Okay, so if you want to compare that both are equal or not, here I am saying that A is equal to B, the output will be false because it both are not equal.
Okay.
Okay, instead of this one, I am saying that hey, A is not equal to B, the output will be your 2. This was, okay, let me write down here. This is my first comparison operator which will say that both are equal or not. This operator is also a comparison operator which says that both are not equal.
Not equal.
Then less, less than, we have greater than, less than equal to, we have greater than equal to. All these are the comparison operators which are going to compare the values of the operators, which are going to compare the value of the variables.